Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to turn off Grammarly app in Samsung phone. So, first thing is just simply open up the settings into your device. And now here on the settings, just simply go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom and should be able to see here accessibility. So just simply select accessibility. And now here you will have installed services. And now from here, guys, just simply select the Grammarly over here and just simply turn it off and a pop-up window will show up and just simply select turn off in order for you to turn off Grammarly app in Samsung phone. But guys, if you want to completely turn it off, you could just simply hold the Grammarly application and just simply tap uninstall and tap on OK and just simply uninstall it to completely turn it off. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.